19 basic Italian phrases to start a conversation with Italian people right now. Let's go! Buongiorno. Good morning. Buongiorno. Buon pomeriggio. Good afternoon. Buon pomeriggio. Buonasera. Good evening. Buonasera. Buonanotte. Good night. Buonanotte. Ciao. Hello or hi. Ciao. Salve. A middle way between good morning and hello, where hello is very informal and good morning is very polite and very formal way to say hi to someone. Salve. Come stai? How are you? Come stai? Molto bene, grazie. Very well, thank you. Molto bene, grazie. Come ti chiami? What's your name? Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo... and put your name. My name is... Mi chiamo... Piacere di conoscerti. Nice to meet you. Piacere di conoscerti. Per favore. Please. Per favore. Grazie. Thank you. Grazie. Mi dispiace. I'm sorry. Mi dispiace. Prego. You're welcome. Prego. Mi scusi. Excuse me. It's a very polite. And you can use when, for example, there is a crowd space and you say mi scusi to pass to other people, or also when you want to apologize. For example, mi scusi, mister, for do these things, something like that. Nessun problema. No worries, no problem. Nessun problema. So in this situation could be when someone asks you something and you say okay, no problem, nessun problema, I can do it in this situation. Può parlare più lentamente? Can you speak more slowly? In this case, può parlare is a polite way because it's giving lei può parlare più lentamente, so you can use when you don't know the person. If is a friend, you can say puoi parlare più lentamente. So this is polite. Very polite for formal for people who don't know. Buona giornata. Good day. Ti auguro una buona giornata. Have a good day. And now, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up and activate the bell. And we will see in this next video 30 Italian opposite verbs, where you can find 30 Italian verbs that can help you to improve your Italian in no time. We'll see there.